everyone, we are here today at Port Orleans Riverside where we have a king room. Now it's kind of luck of the draw where you end up just because we could end up in any of the buildings. Thankfully we ended up with one that has a great view here in our room.
Yeah, and if you want a king bed at Riverside, you do have to book this category to get it guaranteed. You can always put in a request otherwise, but the only way to guarantee that is by booking this king room category. And I think we probably got one of the best ones here.
Yeah, I agree. So let's check it out.
So as you can see, we got very lucky with a river view here from our room, right on the end of the building. And we did wind up in the Magnolia Bend section, not Alligator Bayou. So these rooms are quite a bit different than the ones in Alligator Bayou that have more of the rustic style. These are more themed after kind of a Tiana style, not quite as much as the Royal Guest Rooms, of course, but definitely a little bit of a different theming in here. So as you can see, we do have the king bed, and that is raised up off the ground as with all the new beds in these rooms. So you have room underneath for storage for your luggage. We've got our table and chairs over here, and I'm pretty sure in the back of the chair, that is supposed to be Tiana's crown at the center of those circles. So fairly certain that's what it looks like to me. And then also we have in the curtains, as you may have seen when we first came in, we've got some little frogs on there. I'm gonna assume that's Naveen, and all throughout the curtain there, you've got that pattern. So that's a lot of fun. And then our furniture in here is all brand new, of course. We've got the nightstands over here with the USB ports built in, as well as the wall outlet. And then the drawer pulls on these nightstands, we've been trying to figure out what this says. So if you know, let us know. It looks like an M and a B to me, so I'm not really sure what it's supposed to be, but if you figure that out, let us know. The bed does have a little picture on the headboard. It is not anything Disney, kind of hiding back behind the pillows there. It's just a picture of this building, of the Magnolia Bend building back in the day, of course, when this was built, which is not really when it was built, but you know. The lights have some fun little lily pads built in around those two on the shades there. So little subtle touches throughout the room to make it feel kind of Princess and the Frog themed. We've got a dresser over here that has 3 drawers and this cabinet where you'll find your mini fridge. And then on top of that is our single serve coffee maker, all of our coffees and creamers, things like that, as well as some more of those outlets and USB plugs there. Heading over into the bathroom area, we've got a little stool here that we can sit on, and it reminds me of the stools over in the Royal Guest Rooms where they have the little Beauty and the Beast style ones. And then our coat rack here with the hidden Mickeys on the side. Our curtain that separates the bathroom area, no door here, but a giant curtain, is Princess and the Frog themed. So if we pull this out, hopefully I can stretch it enough to show you. You've got Tiana over here, and she is looking down at Naveen as a frog. So fun picture there on that curtain. One thing we do like about the curtains in here is that when you leave the light on in the bathroom, it kind of glows through the back. And since it is a nighttime scene, it's really pretty. They had the same thing in the other rooms in Alligator Bayou where it looks really pretty at night. So kind of a fun thing there. And then our picture on the wall, we're trying to identify what this is from, but we're not actually sure. It does tell us this is celebrating Mardi Gras on the Mark Twain from the Walt Disney Imagineering Collection, but we don't know like what that's from the Imagineering Collection. Is that something from a show, from a ride? I don't know. If you know, let us know in the comments, because I'm not actually sure what that is. Now in the bathroom area, we do have a double vanity here with a decent amount of counter space in here. Not a ton, but they did give us an extra shelf up above as well. So you've got that. And then they added in lighting behind the mirror. So it's pretty bright here in the bathroom area because you have the mirror lighting as well as the can lights in the ceiling there. And then behind me, we have our closet area. You've got your closet rod and hangers, ironing board, extra pillows, and your safe, of course. And then the other half of the bathroom is going to be separated by a regular door. You've got your mirror on the door. Pretty flowers here on the shower curtain, but no hidden Mickeys that we could find. We looked through like the, fireflies and things, but no hidden Mickeys. And of course, in the shower, we do have a tub as well. It is not just a shower. And the shower is a kind of rainfall style head up there. And they have switched over to the larger refillable shampoo, conditioner, and body wash there. And that is going to conclude our tour of this king room at Port Orleans Riverside in the Magnolia Bend section.
We hope you guys enjoyed that room tour. If you did, give us a thumbs up below and comment with any questions you have. We're happy to answer those for you. Of course, subscribe to our channel. We've got so many more of these videos coming and so many others, so check those out.
And for more information about Riverside and the rest of Walt Disney World, make sure you head to our website, herewiththeears.com, and I'll drop a link to that down in the description below. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time.
We're here with the ears.